Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So I'm looking at these two espresso machines, the Philips 5400 and the Nespresso Gran Lattissima. Both are super automatic, right?
Yeah, exactly. But there are some key differences. The Philips, it looks like, uses fresh beans, while the Nespresso uses pods. That's a big one, taste-wise, and convenience-wise.
True. The Philips boasts 12 different coffee options from fresh beans, and you can even adjust the grinder in 12 steps. That sounds pretty customizable.
Definitely more hands-on. The Nespresso is all about speed and ease. Pop in a pod, press a button, and you're done. It brews a 1.35 ounces espresso.
Okay, that makes sense. What about the milk frothing? I love a good latte.
Both have milk frothers. The Philips uses something called LatteGo, which they say is super easy to clean. Only 2 parts and no tubes. The Nespresso comes with its own milk frother, and customers seem to like the foam it produces, but some say the milk isn't super hot.
Lukewarm milk is a deal breaker for me. Cleaning is important too, though. The Philips sounds easier to clean. What about longevity?
Philips claims their ceramic grinders are good for at least 20,000 cups. That's a lot of coffee. The Nespresso doesn't really specify grinder lifespan, probably because it doesn't have one in the same way.
Right, because of the pods. What about price and availability?
The Philips is listed at $799, and it's currently in stock as a renewed item. The Nespresso, unfortunately, is currently unavailable.
Oh, that's a bummer. But even if it was available, looks like the Philips is the better option.
It really depends on your priorities. If you value convenience and don't mind using pods, the Nespresso could be a good choice when it's available. But if you want more control over your coffee, and you want that fresh bean flavor, the Philips seems like the winner, even if it is a little pricier and renewed.
It sounds like the Philips is the better fit for me, and I can get it now. Thanks for comparing the two. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.